BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video to discuss some points regarding the installation time of Windows updates. Now, the amount of time it takes for Windows updates to install is a question and a comment I see a lot of regarding the installation time of Windows updates on this channel. So I thought I'd just do a quick video to discuss one or two points regarding installation time of Windows updates, mainly on Windows 10, as it is generally known that Windows 10 updates do take a lot longer to install than those of Windows 11. And on my Windows 11 device, the updates take a lot quicker to install, and my Windows 11 device is actually a lower spec machine than my Windows 10 device. Now, in Windows Update, when the update is installing, you will see the installation progress here in Windows Update. And normally when the update, mainly on Windows 10, when it gets to 20%, it can stay there for a longer period than normal compared to the other percentages. And then it can jump to the 40%, 70%, and then it can get to 100%, where it can also stay and stick for a little bit longer than normal. Now, this doesn't mean if you are seeing this on your device where the update is stuck at 20 and or 100% for longer than normal, it doesn't mean the update is failing. This is quite common, mainly on Windows 10 devices, and on my Windows 10 device, it can stay at 20 and or 100% for up to 10 to 20 minutes sometimes. So just be patient as the update hasn't failed. And if the update does fail, you will see an update unsuccessful notification, or the update failed to install notification. So just to consider, normally at 20% and 100%, mainly on Windows 10, updates can take a little bit longer than normal at those percentages. Now, the longest update to install to date on my Windows 10 device was the Windows 10 21H2 feature update, which took somewhere in the region of 5.5 hours. Now, that's more the exception than the norm, and generally the monthly updates that I install on my Windows 10 device take anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes, and on my Windows 11 device they take half the amount of time generally. Now, another thing to consider is obviously the hardware that you are running on your system. So if you have a low budget machine with a lower frequency CPU, lower memory and RAM, your updates will take a lot longer to install than a high-end machine which has a high-spec CPU and a lot more memory and RAM. So just take that into consideration. And then also your internet speed. So if you are running a lower bandwidth, your updates will take longer to install than they will on a high-speed internet connection. And also sometimes, depending where you are and the rollout of the updates and whichever region you find yourself in currently in the world, the Microsoft servers can also sometimes get overloaded, which can cause updates to take longer to roll out and take a lot more time to download and install. So that's just some points to consider regarding the update installation time it takes, mainly on Windows 10 devices, as I have noticed personally that Windows 11, the updates are a lot quicker and simpler and faster than compared to Windows 10. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.